Hey everyone, welcome back to my Channel Shop Smart Review. If you love a clean home but hate vacuuming, self-emptying robot vacuums are the game changer you need. These smart gadgets don't just vacuum your floors, they also empty themselves, making cleaning completely hands-free. In today's video, we're comparing 3 of the best self-emptying robot vacuums of 2025 iRobot Roomba J9, plus a premium model from the pioneers of robot vacuums, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, a feature-packed competitor with both vacuuming and mopping, ECOVACS Deebot X2 Omni, a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution with AI-enhanced navigation. We'll break down key features, pros and cons, so you can decide which one is right for your home. Let's get started. First on our list is the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, one of the most advanced robot vacuums from iRobot. If you're looking for a vacuum that delivers excellent performance, smart navigation, and a reliable self-emptying system, this is a strong contender. Key features: self-emptying dock, holds up to 60 days worth of dust and debris. Dirt Detective AI learns which areas of your home get the dirtiest and cleans them first. Precision Vision Navigation uses AI to detect and avoid small obstacles like pet waste, cables and socks. Strong suction power works well on both hard floors and carpets. Smart App and voice control integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant and the iRobot Home app. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Roomba J9 Plus. Pros: excellent navigation. It's one of the best at avoiding obstacles like shoes, cords, and pet messes. Great for pet owners. It picks up pet hair effectively and avoids pet waste. Advanced cleaning intelligence. It prioritizes high-traffic, dirtier areas. A reliable self-emptying system. The base holds dust for up to 2 months. Cons: expensive. It's one of the most premium-priced models. No mopping feature. Unlike its competitors, it only vacuums. Can be loud. The self-emptying process is noisy. If you want a reliable and intelligent vacuum with a strong reputation, the Roomba J9 Plus is a great pick. Next we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop that delivers strong suction power along with a smart self-cleaning system. If you want a vacuum that can both mop and vacuum efficiently, this is one of the best options. Now let's explore the key features of the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Self-emptying dock. It automatically empties the dustbin and refills mop water. Viberize 2.0 mopping system. It uses sonic vibrations to scrub the floor. Dual roller brush system. This reduces hair tangles and improves carpet cleaning. AI-powered obstacle avoidance. It recognizes small objects like cables and pet waste. 5,500 pascals suction power. This is one of the most powerful on the market. Pros: to vacuum and mop combo. Unlike the Roomba J9 Plus, it offers both vacuuming and mopping. Strong suction. With 5,500 pascal suction power, it can pick up even fine dust and pet hair. Self-cleaning dock. Not only empties itself, but cleans the mop pads and refills water. Smart navigation uses AI-powered detection to avoid objects. Cons: large dock size. The base station is bulky and takes up space. Mopping system isn't perfect. While great for light mopping, it may not handle sticky messes well. Expensive. It's slightly cheaper than the Roomba J9 Plus, but still on the pricey side. If you need a vacuum that also mops and self-cleans, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a fantastic option. The ECOVACS Deebot X2 Omni is one of the most feature-packed robot vacuums available. It offers powerful vacuuming, advanced mopping, AI-driven navigation, and one of the best self-emptying docks on the market. Key features: self-emptying and self-washing dock. Empties dust, refills water, and washes mop pads automatically. AI-powered navigation uses a 3D LiDAR system to map your home accurately. 8,000 pascal suction power. The most powerful suction on this list. Square-shaped design reaches corners better than round robot vacuums. Dual mopping pads, rotating mops for a deeper clean. Pros: unmatched suction power. 8,000 pascal suction is stronger than both the Roomba and Roborock. Fully automated dock. Cleans itself, refills mop water and empties dust. Great for corners, its square design helps it clean edges better. Advanced AI navigation learns and adapts to your home's layout. Cons, most expensive option, one of the priciest models on the market. Bulky base station takes up more space than traditional vacuum docks. Software updates needed. Some users report that its AI learning can improve over time. The Deebot X2 Omni is ideal if you want the most powerful, fully automated cleaning system. All three of these robot vacuums are excellent, but the right one for you depends on your needs. If you want the best overall navigation and vacuuming power, get the Roomba J9 Plus. If you want a powerful vacuum that also mops, get the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. If you want the ultimate fully automated cleaning experience, get the ECOVACS Deebot X2 Omni. So, which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next